Welcome to CryptoBuild Flow, where we break down crypto basics, one block at a time. In this video, we're answering a simple but important question. What exactly is a crypto wallet? If you've heard terms like hot wallet, cold wallet, or recovery phrase and felt lost, don't worry. We'll explain it all in under 60 seconds, with visuals that make sense. Let's get into it. A crypto wallet is like your personal keychain for digital money. It doesn't store your coins, it stores the keys that let you access them on the blockchain. There are two main types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, like mobile apps or browser extensions. They're fast, but less secure. Cold wallets are offline, like USB devices or paper backups. They're safer, but slower to use. Think of it like GCash versus a locked cash box. One's convenient, the other's secure. No matter which you choose, protect your keys. If you lose them, your crypto is gone forever. That's crypto wallets in under 60 seconds. A crypto wallet doesn't hold your coins, it holds your keys. These keys are like passwords that unlock your money on the blockchain. Without them, you can't send, receive, or access your crypto. So your wallet is really a tool for managing access, not storage. Think of it like a keychain, not a piggy bank. There are two main types of wallets, hot and cold. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, fast, convenient, but more exposed. Cold wallets stay offline, like USB drives or paper backups. Safer, but less handy. Think of hot wallets like your phone, and cold wallets like a lock safe. Custodial wallets are managed by companies, they hold your keys for you. Non-custodial wallets give you full control, you hold your own keys. Custodial equals convenience. Non-custodial equals freedom and responsibility. If you lose your keys in a non-custodial wallet, no one can help you. Popular hot wallets, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet. Popular cold wallets, Ledger, Trezor, even paper wallets. Each has pros and cons, choose based on your needs and risk level. Start simple. You don't need fancy gear to begin. Using a wallet is easy once you know the flow. 1. Download or connect your wallet. 2. Get your recovery phrase, store it safely. 3. Receive crypto using your wallet address. 4. Send crypto by entering someone else's address. Always double-check before sending. Mistakes are permanent. That's the basics of crypto wallets, hot, cold, custodial, and secure. Whether you're just exploring or ready to dive in, remember. Your keys are your crypto. Protect them like your future depends on it. Thanks for watching CryptoBuild Flow, where we break down crypto, one block at a time. Subscribe for more faceless explainers and beginner-friendly guides. Stay curious. Stay secure, and keep building.